Hi everyone, welcome to our class. My name is Liang Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our topic is opposites. In this course, we can learn a lot of new characters which can expand our vocabulary a lot. So let's start it. So the course of opposites are divided into two parts, opposites 1 and opposites 2, because the main idea of having this class is to expand your guys' vocabulary. It's a very good way to learn more vocabulary through this form. So let's get familiar with this expression first. 反义词, which means opposite word. 反 means different, opposite. 义 means meaning. 词 means word. 反 third tone, 反义 first tone, 词 second tone, 反义词. And then this is I or me. 我你他 she he or him. Again,他 it, ta. So the three literally just have the same pronunciation, but the stroke is different, so we have to take care, and you can only understand what did the speaker mean through the context. So the three ta, and then this 这个 that 那个 那 remember fourth tone, and then 这里 here 这里 there 那里 and this is 这些 些 means some. 这些 if it's more than three, same as in English, you can use 些 这些 these people 这些人 那些 those books 那些书 那些 So this is 是 is 是 first tone. What about I am a human? I am a man. 我是人 So what about I am a human? 我是人 We just learned that before. And 不是 is not. 不是 What about can? 会 first tone. 会不会 is cannot. And remember, maybe some of you already know this character 不 which have two tones. When it appears itself, you have to say 不. And when it's before third tone, you have to pronounce 不. And when it's before third tone, you have to pronounce 不. And if it's before second tone, you have to pronounce it 不 too. And if it's before fourth tone, it's second tone. So 不是不会不在 And you just need to remember this situation first, okay? And then have 有 third tone 没有 do not have first second tone 没 then third tone 有没有 What about I don't have book 我没有书我没有书 And 在 means at, in, or someone. At, in, or something else. Exist, anyway. 在 在不在 do not exist or is not at. What about I'm not here? We just learned here is 这里 我 am not 不在这里我不在这里 am not here. Then male 男 second tone 男 female 女 n 与女 man 男人 or 男人 both okay 男人 woman 女人人 is people human and boy 男孩孩 means child 男孩女孩and dad is 爸爸 mom 妈妈 and son 儿子 daughter 女儿 here the R means children and good 好你好 bad 坏 and fast 快 They sound like 快 slow 慢 This is not man, it is 慢 and far 远 third tone 远 far 远 near 近 So it's practice time. Is she here? 她在这里吗 We just learned 我不在这里 This is 她在这里吗她 means is she, her, he, him This is she because you see half of this character is a 女 We just learned it Look 女 means female and this is just half of this character means 女她在 means exist or at 这里 here 吗 you put it after a question sentence to show that you're asking 她在这里吗 and the answer is she isn't 她不在you can say 她不在这里It's just like said she's not but you have to add the 在 here 她不在 If you say 她不 then that's too colloquial. It's okay, but it sounds kind of confusing. And then, his son is a good boy. His, 他的儿子 son 是 is 个 an individual. You can use 一个 or 个 both okay. 好 good 男孩 boy 他的儿子是个好男孩他的儿子是个好男孩 And then, is this your mom and dad? 这 means this. But why don't you use 这些? Because 些 needs to be more than 3. So you don't have 3 moms and dads. So you need to use 这. It sounds it sounds better. 这是你的爸爸和妈妈吗？和 means and. 这是你的你 you 你的 your 这是你的爸爸和妈妈吗？这是你的爸爸和妈妈吗？ This man is not her dad. 这个 this one, this man 男人 is not 不是他的 her dad 爸爸，这个男人不是他的爸爸，这个男人不是他的爸爸。So this is a course today.